Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. This allows discovery and faster transfers. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account in Chrome and on your phone so syncing works smoothly. Next, install or update the companion app. On Android, use Phone Hub or link to Windows-like apps. On iPhone, use Chrome Sync and AirDrop alternatives. Once done, grant location, contacts, and storage permissions when prompted, so the laptop can see and communicate with the phone. You now pair the devices. Open Chrome and verify sync is active, which helps share tabs and passwords. On the phone, open Bluetooth or the companion app and choose Pair New Device or Connect. Your laptop should appear in the list. When a pairing code appears, confirm it on both devices. This prevents man-in-the-middle issues. After that, accept the app's permission requests so files, notifications, and clipboard access can flow. Make sure to enable any toggles for calls, messages, or file transfer if you need them. To finish, test the link, send a file or share a browser tab, and if available, try screen mirroring to confirm responsiveness. You'll see why testing matters. It exposes permission gaps or flaky Wi-Fi. If things go wrong, restart Bluetooth, toggle Wi-Fi, and relaunch the companion app. These quick steps resolve most transient issues. As a more reliable fix, remove old pairings on both devices and repair. If persistent, reset network settings on the phone and reconnect to clear lingering configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.